buying a house in Washington State and your spouse is not going to be on the loan, there's a couple of things that you need to be aware of as you proceed through the purchase contract process. So there's two scenarios that I want to talk about. One is your spouse is not on the loan and they are going to be on the title or the deed for the property. The other is your spouse is not going to be on the loan, but they're not also going to be on the title or the deed for the property. So if your scenario is that your spouse is not going to be on the loan and they are going to be on the title for the property, you need to make sure that both people are signing the purchase contract as buyers, because you're both technically buying the house, even though one person is only going to be obligated on the debt. So the mortgage is the debt, the title has to do with the asset. So then it's okay. You don't need to do anything other than just making sure that both people are on the purchase contract. The second scenario would be the one person is on the loan and also the only person on the title. So what has to happen in this scenario is the spouse that's not going to be on the title for the property, also the mortgage, will sign a quitclaim deed so that acknowledges that you are going into contract to purchase a house while being married, because we are a community property state. So this is something you'll want to discuss early. It happens. It's not always the easiest situation. So if you're purchasing a house without your spouse, and they are not going to be on the title for the property, you need to make sure you're having those conversations early so that you can get all the right signatures and you don't get put in a situation where you get to the end and people won't sign the quitclaim deed to allow you to proceed with purchasing real estate. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help.